Jesus fuck. Alright. What's up, wagon? Welcome to hell. I haven't finished. I'm kind of I'm clearing up some stuff from like on my desktop and whatnot, so I'm not just blasting our new level of clients information out here. I'm curious, can I stream? I wonder if I can stream the NCL practice game. It was a practice game, so I don't see why not, but I don't know. Well, what I'm planning on doing is... Okay, let me close out for the client. Well, how are you doing, Wagon? You having fun? Can't wait to see what the... Yeah, I could same, dude. Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous. I mean, I anticipate... I don't know why he wouldn't pay us a fat stack of cash for dealing with all this shit, because... it was either that or his business go bye-bye. Which sucks, but... Damn it, like... I know we're both fucking... really... doing a lot with it. Alright, cool. So... Let's see. I'm thinking about... we better get a stack for real. I'll have to... I haven't done work for him for a while, so I'll need to look and see what rate I normally charge him per hour. But usually for larger things like this, I'll give him a discount, just so it doesn't break his bank. However, even with that, it's still going to be probably quite a bit. And I'm almost tempted to just tell him, you pay us what it was worth to you. Instead of listing out a number, because that's always kind of tough. It's, you know, cost-wise, being like, oh, you know, we're $50 an hour for how many fucking hours? We're pushing probably 20, probably 30, maybe. And just assuming like one person, like say, you know, your hours or whatever, instead of doing 40. Yeah. So, I don't know. I'll talk to him about it, and see if he, I might just pitch it to him like that, to say, what was our time worth to you? You pay us that, because, you know, we don't have a contract in place, and all that shit, but, I think that kind of puts it on, I don't know. I think that way he can come up with a number that he and his wife are comfortable shelling out. But also with the, you know, acknowledgement of like, what was saving your business worth to you? I think almost doing like pricing it in a creative way, not like, you know, pricing it how like you typically do like a creative work. Sounds kind of counterintuitive, but I think for this scenario, I think that might be the play. Normally, yeah, but it's, yeah. I don't know. I think that we would likely get more, as opposed to just like, this is the bill. But normally, I mean, if this shit happens again beforehand, I might just go, let's agree on a price at a time, per hour or something like that, or maybe kind of tier it based off of the hours. If it's like, you know, 10 hours, I know how you usually bill, motherfucker. I ran an MSP. But no, because that's normally what I do for him. Like I have like research time. So if I'm doing research to figure something out, I bill him significantly less. But if it's me doing actual work, then it's like at whatever rate I'd set. Like I said, it's been such a long time. I don't even remember what the fuck. Oh, for the chat, you right. For the one other person watching this, that actually might be me. Sorry, I forget. It's not you and I chatting one on one. All right. Oh, Colin. So, sorry, just put your name out there. It's not like it's fucking hidden. Wagon. What I'm thinking, and let me actually OPSEC this real quick. Just to see. So, you know, we were talking about the CTF thing for Christmas. This might be a tough squeeze, but I think it's doable. And what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about running it all on DigitalOcean. Now I know this is going to come out of my pocket, and I'll be able. I'm getting a massive fucking referral bonus for the 2 people on our team, so I don't mind paying for it. You know, for the month of December. But what I'm thinking is the biggest annoyance outside of like poorly written questions with CTFs are just like is when it's not available. Like, you know, when there's downtime, especially when it's something where like how quickly you input an answer dictates your rank on the board. So my thought is we roll this bitch out on DigitalOcean. We use their app platform to actually deploy CTFd, and we can do it. So CTFd, let me switch back here. So CTFd lets you, you can, so they have a Docker container, right? And DigitalOcean has their app platform where you can deploy Docker containers, which I think we can scale pretty easily. And then we can use their managed Redis and their managed database. And that way, should one of those start bottlenecking or there start being any issues there, it's really easy for us to just, modify that, in theory. So we'll see. But I think that it would be fairly doable, and I actually have some reading material that I saw for how to do exactly that. So I'm gonna, I think, reference that if I can find it again. But you know, we can set up, we can set up all this stuff and have a load balancer as well in front of it, to load balance between, say, just like starting out, say, 3 instances, and then if needed, we can scale it up and automatically add it to the load balancer on there. So I think that might be the easiest way. Just because I don't think that we'll have a lot of players, but I would hate to say we're not going to have a lot of players and then 800 people try to participate and we go, oh fuck. So if we keep it small, sweet. If we need to scale up, it'll be there. So I think that'll be a fun project. I know you kind of probably would still find that enjoyable to work on. What's up, Caxu? How's it going? It's been a while. Thanks for stopping by. I know we've kind of been offline for a bit. The one downside, the thing kind of annoys me. I shouldn't say annoys me because that's sounding a little ungrateful. But the downside thing with CTFd is I really, really want. There's something on their enterprise plan. King of the Hill sounds fun as fuck. Let me look at the features real quick. Damn it, there's here it is. I think it's dynamic value challenges. Dynamic value challenges, I'm sad because I really, really want that. But if you're self-hosting, I think it's locked to the enterprise plan. And I had reached out to them and was like, hey, we're a small nonprofit, we're interested in some of these features, we can't pay. Would you guys be interested in some sort of partnership or whatever? And they were just like, we don't offer any nonprofit stuff. If you would like to, talk about whatever the hell. And I was like, okay, damn it. But the dynamic value, no, I'm sorry, not dynamic value. Actually, maybe it was dynamic value. No. Custom shop. Fuck. There was one of them here where it was like, application target. Here we go. This right here. So you can deploy a per account instance of an application. This is fucking tits. This is really fucking cool because this allows you to have people's like their own fucking Docker thing, and they don't have to worry about other people fucking with it. Granted, there's an additional cost with it, but it's it's siloed, and I was like, that's really tits. So I don't know. It kind of sucks. Still tempted to reach out to them maybe and just be like, hey, realistically, what would the cost be? If to just get like a license. So I don't know. Maybe I'll hit them up and just say, this is what we're looking to do. Blah 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 blah. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, we got a job, understandably. Well, I felt bad because I didn't announce it anywhere that I was going to be gone at a fucking security conference all last week, and then Monday, Wagon here and I were just engaged all fucking day, doing a ransomware cleanup, which they can go fuck themselves because we had backups, and they're still hitting up the dude and like, hey, you should reach out to us. And it's like, no, we got the data, you fucking whore. Dumbasses. Anyway, the biggest thing that I want to do and that I'm going to try to work on today is I want to make our own theme. I just don't know how that would work when we have CTFd deployed through like that app platform. So it might be a case of we fork the repo and then we make our own modification and then pull from that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But if that's the case, then so be it. That's a pretty minor thing. Because I think if we were to add that theme in here as like just a default theme, I think it would be fucking trivial. Like if we just to sync to upstream, I don't think we'd have any. Yeah, we could just literally stick it in here as a separate thing, and we wouldn't have any issues with like with shit. Oh yeah. So currently the core beta. What's this one written in? This is the one I think we want to do. So the downside is using Vue, which I don't know shit about, but I know it's kind of the same realm as React. So Alpine JS. Is this doing any templating? I think it is. Is it? It is. Okay, cool. So this should be easy. So basically what we need to do, I mean, it's going to be a little bit of work, but it's not too bad. Basically, what we're going to do, I mean, let's be real here. This is like, I don't say this in like a disrespectful way. This is a fairly simple setup here. I think the hardest part is going to be actually getting Tailwind to work in here. But if we can get Tailwind working, which, I mean, fuck, we could just install it here, I think. And then we just have to add the configuration somehow. If we can do that, then I think it'd be probably a fairly trivial thing to do. So let's look at the docs here. And then I'll reach out to them. Need Dirty J, he'd be extremely useful. He would be, yeah. He definitely knows what's up with this. He did a bunch of, yeah. Well, do you know why he did a bunch of Tailwind crap? Because of my lazy ass. So Tailwind. So you probably remember we bought Tailwind UI for like $800. And that, I mean, shit, that's the entirety of cyber info, and that's why I kind of wanted to use it, because I'm like, this looks good. This wasn't too hard for me, and all this is, all the CTFd theme is just that, like, it's template, so it's really easy to just, stick this stuff in there. All I have to do is, say like the fucking challenge page or whatever, just basically, I don't even know if I need to recreate. I could probably just add in the class stuff where it needs to go, or I can take one of the template things and then just go, okay, these are the these are the template pieces that I need, and then just start building it. So it's definitely a bit of a manual process, but once we have a good foundation, then we can maybe do some extra little themes and shit like that. But yeah, the hardest part will just be getting it in here to operate correctly with CTFd as a whole. How exactly does this work? So Jinja to JavaScript CSS. Okay, so we can learn more about the theme here. All right. CTFd loads from the themes folder. A theme is loaded by specifying the theme value, which can be configured in the admin panel. I would want to know if I can programmatically tell it to use a different theme. Because if we have that shit being deployed by Docker, it's completely it's just a configuration list thing. So it might be something where you know what, it might be done once you set it, it probably gets saved to the database as a setting. So then as you spin up new stuff, I guess we'll see. We'll find out when we give it a shot. Okay, so let's do this. Let's look at their other themes. And what exactly is the process there? What's that hacker theme? Because I know I see a lot of people think with that. Actually, do they purchase multiple choice plugin? I was thinking about buying this for the thing. Oh, it's $30. I wish I could preview the code base a little bit before, but I don't know if that's worth the $30. Just to use as a template. Because I could probably use one of these other ones here. Let's see. The downside here is that I need to find one that's recent that's using the core thing, or we just say fuck it. Hold on, I have a better idea. Let's see, CTFd, and then themes. I think I was just looking at this. Okay, so I just stick it in here. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, so I'm guessing what I have to do is just I could probably just copy this to another folder and then we would call it good there. That being said, I probably don't want to install this in a Docker container just yet. Maybe I could just... That's probably going to be the easiest. Okay, here we go. Database, blah, blah, blah. Oh, uses Vagrant. How can I easily do that in the Docker container? Fuck. What are their... Well... Let me go back here. Okay, so I can just take this and use Python serve to just spit it out there. That might be the play right now, just so it's easy to, get or to do the shit, and I don't have to like spin up the Docker container, install fucking like code server, and do remote development crap. So let's do this. So we can install. Okay, modify config any to your liking. Oh, so but I would have to... No, because I can... Let's see here. Oh, thanks for the follow, Chad. Oh, fuck. Chad B. Noob. And, Vuthan Vector. Appreciate you guys. I looked up to see one follow and another one popped up. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Upload a customized theme to self-hosted. see. VS Code development into Docker container. Okay, so I would just do... Yeah, whatever, so... Oh, so these are development specific. Okay, so open a folder, existing folder in a container. Quick start, a dev container. So that's specifically a dev container, but I would imagine... can attach to an existing container, okay. Here, let's give this a shot here. Let me get Docker up here. Extensions. Let's update those since we're gonna be working with Python. Juice shop, okay. Sure. Alright. And then I think it said... is it container? Dev containers. I've already got it. I've already got the remote desktop. Okay. So it might be good to go. Alright, we'll figure it out. Yeah, go for it. Go and kill it. Okay, so we'll get the container. We'll see if we can hook into it and just do remote development that way. Because if we can, easy. This will be very, very trivial. At least to get the stuff going there. Where the hell even? Is it here? I guess it would be here. That's actually kind of hot. Okay, so once this is up and running, I think it'll detect it. I will say, like, as much as I dislike Microsoft, their fucking developer ecosystem for doing like VS Code, containerization, and just like remote development stuff, they've really been putting in some work and making it nice. I'm very... Let me also just close this out. I'm very happy with what they've been doing. Let me close that parsec. We don't need you. Okay. Alrighty. Well, taking a hot minute, huh? Where are we at on space? Oh, we're good. But yeah, oh yeah. So as far as what and why, for those of you watching, we are doing a holiday, Advent CTF. So part of the inspiration came from Huntress and the way they're doing their CTF right now. It's like every day for the cybersecurity awareness, they're dropping like a couple challenges. We're probably just gonna keep it simple and do like one. But maybe two. Oh, Jesus Christ, I did not mean to play myself. How do I make you go the fuck away? Be gone thought. There we go. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. It'll be a bit of a speed run because it is kind of last minute, but we're definitely going to learn a lot. I think it'll be very helpful when it comes to operating maybe a bigger CTF, like a more like this is the, going to have a bunch of challenges that this side or the other. And fortunately, we've got some really talented people in the community who are interested in helping us and doing some challenges. This one's so expensive, I just buy this. Where are we at with this? Still going on. so we can just get the registry, container registries. Okay. Let me see if I can find that thing. CTFd on, what the fuck was it called? Digital Ocean. I read someone's article. Yeah, here we go. Open up a few of these real quick. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Yeah, this right here is what I was looking at. So it seems like a very, I mean, famous last words, right? It seems like a pretty straightforward deployment, but it makes sense. You got the droplets, which I think we can say fuck the droplets, and I think we can use the app platform here. I mean, we'll see, but if we can, that would be really fucking cool. But if we need to use the droplets, we can spin that. In fact, I think it even talks about how they do it here. Here we go. So instead of app engines, so phase try multiple times, run and Docker failed. Interesting. Okay, so Skishu is the reason why he's doing it that way. We'll figure it out. Okay. Yeah, we actually no, I don't think that would. I will figure it out. I think we can. Okay, so it is a environment variable. Okay, we could probably do write something to update that as needed. We are definitely putting this bad boy behind Cloudflare, that's for sure. Yeah. 885 hours of resources for it. It's not bad at all. Yeah, I mean, this isn't bad cost-wise, but this is also for, like, a couple days. And we're doing a fucking whole 3-month thing, so I'm anticipating several $100 for this. But, if people enjoy it, then that is perfectly fine with me. Interesting. Oh. Huh. Oh, are we done here? Hey, here we go. Okay, cool. So let's look at our... Just got that there. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the CTFd doohickey and we'll make it happen. I think... I'm just gonna use this like one-off thing here. I assume this is the latest. Let me see. Yeah, update 8 days ago. Okay, sweet. Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry. I'm stupid. I keep forgetting I need to bigulate. My bad, guys. I'm sure it was probably kind of a... Sitting there going, what the fuck is he doing? Okay, do we have it? We do. Alright, and then... It doesn't really matter, but... Just saying 8,000, okay. Okay. Sweet. Let's do cyber info dev. Eat. I think we're just gonna do user mode as individuals. I know there's a likelihood that people are gonna cheat or bullshit or whatever, but people are gonna cheat and bullshit no matter what we do. That's handy. Okay. just do wheat. I mean, doesn't fucking matter. It's a local thing, but let me just new item. We'll stick this into right here. Fuck it. Just do CTFd. Put you. I'll just do here for now. Part of me wants to set up the MLC, the Major League Cyber stuff, but I haven't fucked with that in a long time. I don't even know if it's like, I don't know what's up with that. If they're, I mean, I assume it's still around. Okay. I mean, obviously it's fucking still around. That's handy. Pages, okay. Users, scoreboard, challenges. What do we got here as far as... Oh, nice. We can put stuff in there. Okay. Localization. Okay. That's good. Okay. This is pretty straightforward. Not like a whole lot going on. Okay, so let's see how we can hook into it. Okay. Oh, no shit, I can just... Hold up. Wait. That's actually kind of sick as fuck. Where does it sit? Oh, CTFd, okay. How would I... Maybe like this? Yeah, no shit, it's gonna execute arbitrary code. Okay, so it'll install the server. Oh, damn. Cannot create directory. Home CTFd permission denied. Huh? That fucking sucks. Attach a shell. Do that. Okay, so I can at least import stuff, and that's not a great workflow. There's fucking nothing in there. Oh, that's interesting. Hold on. What does it say again? It says... Let's try this real quick. Okay, I'm sorry, VS Code. actually be attach. Interesting. Levels group policy with what word is that? What's the GPO doing? I wonder if I just gotta change this. Definitely not the only one running into this, but oh, container user instead of remote user. Where? Maybe I need to go into the settings here. Let's see. Actually, oh no, I need to do settings, not preferences. So container, dev containers, here we go. Might be a different place. Just search this up, see what pops up. Okay. It's not really what I'm looking for. I wonder if I could just make the thing in the, or in there. There's a weird thing is, well, maybe it's not weird, but there's like, yeah, there's no like CTFd home thing. So I wonder if, exactly is there again? Can I create directory? So what if I, oh, that's just straight up not gonna work, okay. Well, I mean, it's not ideal, but I guess maybe, I really don't want to like do it all locally, but I mean, like just as an individual or a non-Docker thing, but that might just be what needs to happen. Oh, that's what I meant by open browser. Hey, what's up, SM? How's it going? Uh, feeling disappointed. Oh yeah, you mentioned you did the CCNA. I assume it didn't. Oh, you failed it. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. I um I don't blame you though. That's a fucking that's a hard exam. But there's there's always an upside. There's always a positive. So I'm sure you learned a lot about what the actual exam is like and what to expect. So now when you go do it again, I'm betting you'll probably have a much easier time. So you'll really know you know what you're in for. So I'm hoping that when you do it again, you'll have a 300 each time. Fuck. It's a couple bucks. That's why I wish I was just like rich as fuck. I could just be like, here's a fucking voucher. Go take it again when you're ready. All right. So if let's say we couldn't get in there, what would the process be? I guess it would be, uploading it through here, maybe. But here's the thing: is how can we? I don't know that I can see instant results. If I can't see instant results for how we're looking, then I can't. That's gonna be such a pain in the ass system. So, okay. This should be generated for you. Okay. Acquired templates are here. Okay. Ooh. Not too interested in all that. I shouldn't need to worry about all that. Damn. Okay, well let's try this. If I go here and I just, what's that like? Fuck it. Let's bring it down. I think I had to do this. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just do this. CTFd. Already got one. Oops. CTFd dev. Alright. I don't know why it's using that. It's the wrong ass key, but whatever. Fucking thanks. One password. So we'll do that. Grab that. So let's get into. I think we can just. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fuck off. Pip install R. Yeah, you little bitch. Those versions are close enough. Should be fine, I think. It says modify the config .ini CTFd. Here, let's do this. don't know why it's using that key. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. So we need to do config.ini. So it'll automatically create an SQLite if I don't specify anything. Okay. Use data for fast cache. That's good enough. I mean, honestly, I think all this shit is okay for now. We really need to do anything here. Yeah, should be fine. Should start Cybersec Plus. At the same time, I'll keep studying CCNA. I'm gonna take the CCNA until I'm more prepared. That's a good question. I don't know. I could see it both ways. Like, I mean, you've already. Oh, a good one. Like, I mean, you've already. I don't want to say come this far, but I mean, you've already worked on it this much. It'd probably be worthwhile to just stick with it until you got it. But I don't know. I'd probably do one at a time, just because I've like I frequently overload myself, and it's not fun. I don't recommend it at all. There have been plenty of times as of late where I've been sitting here going, man, I wish maybe I just kind of slowed down a little bit instead of trying to cram in doing CISSP before doing a doctoral program on top of just everything else going on. It wasn't smart. But here we are. So gotta just kind of suck it up and deal with it. Let's look at as category. We ball value is 69. Oh, that's handy. Good. That's right, we can do multiple flags. Thank fuck. That's cool. Okay. Alrighty. Let's duplicate this out. Challenges. Okay. Well, let's do. It's like a freaking standard. As a test user. As test dash user. Alright. Now, let's also make another challenge. So I want to see, because we'll need to see what one looks like when it's solved. Okay. Fuck, what was the flag again? Balls, okay. So this is what we're gonna do here. CTFd. CTFd, go to themes. Said I want to make my this is clone, customize. Okay. So ooh man. Thinking about this long term, how the fuck would we want? Now, I know I could just do it now and then I could go paste stuff in later, but thinking long term, we'd probably want to fork this and then just sync from upstream as changes come. But man, diffing those is going to be such a pain in the ass. But for now, we'll just download zip and then we'll fuck that later. Okay. The biggest L is that it uses yarn. We'll just name this cyber info. Alright, so in theory, back here, refresh. Oh, that's the wrong ass. 1, 2. There we go. Okay, cool. So it is there. Curious, does it break? Actually, let's not fuck with that until. Okay, so it's update button. What exactly do I have to do? Let's see, rewritten version. So, okay, obviously rewritten. Add the repo to the themes folder. So it's got that little subtree, pull chain, okay. But how do we actually do the shit? Yo, what's up? Oh, Dez, my man. Just the person I want to talk to. I don't know if I had the most mind-blowing fucking experience last week. You gotta hear this. Benji. So we're did he talk? Yeah, did he tell you? Yeah. Dude. So I'm at QSC and my TAM, Charlie, he's like telling me, he's talking to Benji, he's like, Benji is a cool motherfucker. You gotta meet him. And I'm like, all right, bet, hook it up. Let's talk. Let's make it happen. So he introduces me and we're talking, we're chatting about shit, and he's like, oh yeah, there's this dude, because I told him, I was like, yeah, I'm in freaking Mobile, Alabama, or a little east, and he was like, oh yeah, there's this guy, he's like, you know, really smart dude. He's like written a book that's actually like required reading at a freaking university now, which is like fucking congrats, by the way, that's badass. And so he's talking, and he says Dez, and I'm like, fuck, why does that name sound so familiar? Like, that's such a familiar fucking name. And then he brings up, I think he brought up your LinkedIn, and I went, holy shit, no fucking way. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I know that dude. He popped into my stream. It's just this whole freaking circle came back around, and I was like sitting there. We're talking about it, and I was like, it's such a small fucking world. But he was talking about you know, some of the work you do with like you know, making cyber more accessible, you know, to the black community and all that. And I was like, that's fucking amazing. What the fuck? Like, why am I just now finding out about this? So I was like, we gotta get together one of these days here, and because I mean that's something that I want to do with like cyber info is, you know, try to bring cyber to people who, you know, they can't get a computer or something like that. They don't have those opportunities that others do, and you know, figure out a way to make that happen for them. So let's see, I live in Huntsville. Okay, moving to Reston, month and a half. Yeah, he mentioned that she had some big fucking moves going up there. So congrats. That's awesome, dude. Man, that's so fucking cool. I can't believe that I just, you know, talking to him at Q. We're out in freaking San Diego, and we're talking about like it just all this crap coming together. And I was like, holy shit, what a small freaking world. But yeah, no, that's awesome. Well, yeah, man, if you're ever in the area, hit me up. I'd love to go get a drink or something. Yeah, I love Benji. He's funny as shit, first of all. But he's a nice dude. Like, you can tell he really likes to have fun, but just a heart of gold. We don't need to be tracking all this crap. But yeah, man, I didn't realize I didn't realize they made your book required reading at the university. That's such a fucking life achievement, man. Gotcha, bro. I'm about to start my DBZ stream here in a sec. Awesome. Yeah, he really is. And yeah, definitely. And good luck on your stream, man. I hope it goes well. Hope you get shitloads of views. YouTube, my man, and good luck. If we don't chat anytime soon, I know fucking life gets in the way. Good luck up there in Reston, man. I'm sure you got huge things coming your way. It sounds like you've got. Fuck yeah, yeah. Let me know. Actually, I'll have to. I don't know. I think I'll be up in Huntsville sometime. I don't know if it'll be anytime soon. But yeah, we'll figure something out. Even if it's just for like an afternoon or something, we'll make it work. Life is way too short not to be hanging out and meeting fucking awesome people. That's what that conference really reminded me of too. Is like, I was like, damn, I need to get out more. I need to go to these things. Because just the people you meet are, I mean, fuck, like just that experience of like, oh my god, I've seen this guy and all that, and just all that sort of stuff, meeting new people and whatnot. That's good. Really puts life in perspective. All right, let's see. We got yarn on here, right? I think. Okay. Let's get into CTFd. We'll do themes. Get into cyber info theme. Awesome. So, pardon me. I think from here, I guess we just. Does it say what exactly we need to do? So, because I don't. my biggest worry is fucking up something with a theme, and then it going, oh, we're not loading, and you have no way to change it back. Is that an option in the INI? Let's see. Theme fallback. Okay, there's a. Okay, so we can do what, core beta, right? What's the, or is it just core that we're on now? Well, let's refresh it. Okay, core beta. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, templates auto reload. Okay, looks like yes. All right. Sweet. So we'll give this a shot. We'll see. I'm guessing. Okay. Structure. I need to get like a freaking deal with a damn record label. Let me play some better music, but I'm also not trying to get freaking screwed over just yet. Use of a build system. Okay. Stuff is rendered. Okay. I've heard interesting things about Vite, I think it's pronounced, but I don't know shit about it. I think it's like an alternative to Next. Yeah. Or is it Packer? Is it a Packer thing? I don't know. Fuck it. Alright, okay, yeah. We generate for you to create your project. Okay. Okay, so build system. Here we go. So yarn install. My build and then watch. Okay. So I'm assuming that, okay, I'm assuming that with watch, every time we make an adjustment to like a file or something like that, it'll just automatically hit it. So we'll do yarn install. Actually, why am I fucking copying it? Like I can't type that shit. Oh. Okay. The thing I hate most about yarn is, I mean, let me rephrase it. It's not bad. It's definitely better than NPM, but that motherfucker gets thick. Like it can make a lot of files versus that wasn't bad. Versus something like how the fuck would you call it? Or something like PNPM, which will use kind of like a central repository in your like for everything, as opposed to like boom big fucking node modules, boom big fucking node modules, and you have these massive fucking you're taking up like gigabytes per project, whereas you can just kind of retain everything in one place, and I think hard link it is what it does, something like that. We'll just build with watch. Fuck, what? V is installed. Do I need to swap over to PowerShell? I might need to. Hold up. PowerShell's good. Well, nowadays. Themes, is it not? What's up one? Oh, I need to go CTFd again. Themes, cyber info. Okay. Yarn install. Oh, ew. Hold up. Back the fuck up. Yarn is so far out of date. Hold up. What the fuck is that? Yarn install. That's... Oh. Yeah, classic stable is way out of date. Okay, hold on. Let's... Oh. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to do the whole ass thing. Would it be worthwhile to just spin up a dev VM for this? Nah, because this needs to happen anyway. Hold on, let's go back to here. Alright, we'll do node version. What were we on? Because we're on 18, so we got the minimum there. I feel like I've already done this before. Core pack enable. I think this is already good to go. And then we'll do yarn set version berry. Convert your dot. I don't think I have those files. I don't see them anyway. There we go, okay. Here we go. This is looking more like what we need. Maybe I should have fucking killed the node modules, but I think we'll be fine. Alrighty. Oops. Okay, I think we're good there. Let's see if V works. Build. Still not found. Damn. Let me see. I know I'm not the only one. Oh, would it be NPX? You know what? I'm gonna be honest. That makes a lot more sense. Wait, does fucking hold up? Doesn't Yarn have its own NPX? don't think it does. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter. Alright. Cool, that actually works. We'll also... I should probably bump up to node 20 at some point, but... yeah, it'll work for now. Alright, so now if we do this, we could do pass watch. Let's also go look at... I'll do that another time, okay. Alrighty, so we do have that. Alright. Sweet. Alrighty. Let's think here. So... because I know they're saying that we can, you know, install whatever other packages. However, let's see. So ooh, this might cause a conflict. Excuse me, importing. This could be used by. Okay. Generated example would be. Manifest. Huh. Okay. Is that already in the config? That sits in the plugins. Do we need that? Okay, maybe this isn't a thing anymore? Here, let's do this. Quickest way to check is we'll just get this to load up, get it to build, and then we'll load the theme, see if it works. If it does, sweet. If not, and then let's also look up, well, let's already say, so cyber info, update. Okay, things are working, so I'm assuming it's working. Alright, did stream just die? I don't think so, did it? I'm not showing any drop packets. Hold up. Let me refresh this. I'm showing a good bit rate, steady bit rate. I don't see anything that would indicate a outage or anything like dropping, so I don't know. Is it working now? Can you hear me now? I still see I see audio here. Yeah, everything seems to be working for me. It'd be funny as shit if I was sitting here talking to myself the whole time. Okay, so I guess I don't have to worry about this. In your thing, you must enable the manifest flag. Is this not already done? I mean, I assume it is. Manifest true. Okay, I guess it already is there. Oh, it must be talking about like if you're building your own from the ground up. I wonder if that's what they're talking about versus like just taking this thing. So, okay. And we'll do Tailwind CSS. Okay, so configure. Okay, so we do Tailwind config. There's kind of two things at play here. So we need to do Tailwind CSS Jinja 2. I think. Yeah, I think I was looking at this before. This is the part that I was confused about. Okay, so let's do this. Fuck it, whatever. Wait, no. Hold on. How is it going to install that? No. You know what? Let's do this. Yarn install Tailwind. Or is it add? I think it's add. Yarn add. Tailwind CSS. Yeah, okay. Tailwind CSS. Okay, so we're there. And then let's try that now. Okay, so we got the Tailwind config. Should have just grabbed it from the other thing. All right, let's go to GitHub. We'll grab the one that we use for whatever the fuck sourcer here, and kind of make it easy. All right, so theme. Oh, thank you for the follow, Prismatic Queen. Appreciate you. That's a cool fucking name. I'm jealous. All right, we've got that here. I think we'll drop the font family for now. Actually, we'll drop the font and the weight. I might not fuck with the font for now. That's definitely on my, definitely lower on the list of priorities, but whatever. Okay, so you know what? SM, you might be right. Maybe something did take a shit. Yeah, we were back. That's fucking ridiculous, man. We had the shit set up. Or, like, we had things, fucking damn it. Fuck you. Okay, now it's kind of back. I'm confused because AT&T fixed our shit. Like, it's objectively been working better. But there's still these little things like this. Looks like it's working now. Hold on, I just hope the Discord isn't getting spammed with freaking notifications about stream starting. They are. That's a fucking rip. I gotta add some sort of timeout to that because that's way too fucking much. That's fucking stupid. Like, that pisses me off. Fuck up my nuts. Where's red? Okay. Remind me to restart meta before you stream. Right. If you're streaming tonight. Alright. I think we're stable for now. Seems like it. That's agitating as fuck, though. guess I'm gonna have to fucking call them back and say, yo, this shit's still fucked up. And they're gonna say, oh, it's because you're on Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna be like, no, that's not why. It's because your service sucks ass. But, actually, I guess what I could do too, let me get a Proxmox here. Okay, here we go. I'm adding a cooldown in there. Yeah, no, I know. I'm sorry, that's my fault. I saw that and I was like, these motherfuckers are getting pinged left and right, so I just added a fucking cooldown. So it shouldn't run for another 60 minutes, cause yeah, my fucking stupid ass. Hold on, let me say something about it. I'm sorry about that, it's my fault. Yeah, fuck AT&T, man. But also, I don't know, here, let me see, what options do I actually even have here? Can I do like a fucking jitter test? No. That sucks ass. Yeah, the network, or the connection from there, maybe it is some with Wi-Fi, but that's, I guess it very well could be. But here's another thing, the upload is all right for this machine, and the download is like, ugh, which was a huge issue happening to, y'all might remember, to this thing, which again is on a fiber line. So this would have like 1 megabit down and like 700 up. Or, 800-900 up. So something's up with that. I don't know fucking why. It's stupid. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna go bitch at AT&T again here soon, but dumbasses. What the fuck are we doing? That should be good. Yeah. That should hopefully stop the pings. In fact, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set that to 120. And actually yeah, because it shouldn't be happening more than once. I don't know why I didn't set that before. There we go. Let me guess, you got the shit pinged out of you. I was doing a speed test on this because this is like hardwired in, and my two computers upstairs are on Wi-Fi. They're normally fine, but for some reason it just started taking a shit, and I was like, "What? Like why? How the fuck am I getting this?" That makes no fucking sense. Latency is actually not bad though. I don't know. That's just weird. I wonder if something happened. I don't know. I need to get this shit fucking hardwired in, so I'm gonna call the office again tomorrow and say, where are the people? This is just ridiculous. It's a fiber line, but the problem is that I'm on Wi-Fi right now, up here in my office, because I don't have a hard line run up here, so I can't really complain, and from what I can tell, this server is fine. Yeah, I know. That's what, that's the thing that fucking drives me up the fucking wall, is that it'll work fine, and then it'll just take a shit. I'm actually about to register a business just to get fiber in, or a business line. It can't be under SLA because it won't be a dedicated line, but it'll be a business line, so I will, I think, inherently just get a little bit better support. But they took the ONT out, directed it, or did a direct line into the fiber, the modem, so should be better. Part of me also wonders if it's just the modem being stupid, so once I finally put in a pass-through, it might be fine. Sounds like a loop and a duplex mismatch. The duplex... Wait, what? No, I don't know why it would be. It's freaking wireless. I see what you're saying though, where like it kind of catches up and like gets exhausted. I don't think so. I don't. There's nothing on the network that would cause it. The only thing that's wired in is two computers. Everything else is over Wi-Fi, unfortunately. But it's just what I have to deal with right now. So I don't have the ability to run cables myself in here. I have to get someone to come do it, and I'm just waiting for them to contact me back. So I know with the only one that's not in an auto negotiation is the GM Tech box that I have plugged in, the Proxmox box. It's negotiated to 2.5 gig, but it was doing this shit way before I ever installed that. And it's gotten a lot better since they removed that ONT. Input CSS. Yeah, I've been dealing with this stupid shit for fucking months now. Create a new folder called Styles. Really? We're gonna set up a CTF Discord versus Discord someday. Oh yeah, we talked about that a while ago, didn't we? Yeah, I mean, whenever I've got the time, that'll be fun. Does it just not exist at all? I thought it did. Huh. Okay. See, I wonder if It's gonna be such a pain in the fucking ass. So this one's more specific. Use case.